Hi, this is Chef Claudia, and I have the perfect refreshing recipe for these hot summer months. A delicious watermelon and queso fresco salad that features a little bit of fresh mint and of course a dash of tajin. Let's get started. What did you think? Did you enjoy this recipe? Well, you're gonna definitely wanna visit us on tajin.com for more recipes like this. And I don't know about you, but I cannot wait to dig into this. So enjoy.
Every day